Hello everyone and welcome to Storm Chasers. Again, we did not hit our goal of 5 likes, so I'm gonna give you a second chance. We're gonna do some more boring. Okay, our goal for this video is 5 likes, and I will do another episode with a special guest. And you know who the special guests are by, you know, what, last time I played a game with friends. Let's check the map. Oh my god. Where's the tornado? Oh. East? East? Where's east? Where the heck is east? Oh my god. Go? I don't know. I know never eat soggy waffles, but like, whatever. And now we're driving to Dakota. Now we are here. Let's catch a tornado. Yeah. Let's leave the car. Any rotation? Anything? Alright. Ooh, there's a probe. Should we put it here? I'm gonna put it here. Give us a tornado. Give us a tornado. I want twisty. I want spinny. I want spinning cloud. Please. Please, I want spinny cloud. Oh, hail. Better get in the car. Yeah, I should get in the car right now. Shoot. Where's the tornado? Where is it? Where the heck is this thing?
A tornado warning has been issued for the Byron County area by the National Weather Service.
Oh, shoot. There's a tornado warning. I'm gonna stay in my car. Uh-oh. That's bad. Oh! There it is! Let me get out. There it is! Woohoo! That looks so cool. I love it. I just love these effects, you know? It's so cool. Ooh. Shoot, I'm taking damage. I'm gonna die. Okay. Shoot, it's coming straight for me. Hopefully it's gonna come for the probe instead of me. Shoot. Woo! Come on, get in the probe. Come on. Come on. Please. Please. Ooh, debris. Debris. Yes! Yes!
Finally,
Oh my God,
you
yes.
actually noticed.
Yay! I did it. I did it. Alright. Let's see if we can fly. Whoa. What's happening? Whoa! I'm getting picked up! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm getting picked up! Intercept! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! What? Oh my god! What? How did I survive? Oh my god. Beautiful! Beautiful twister. Oh my god. Uh-oh. That's not good. Repair the tire. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please repair. Yes. Okay. Shoot, the car's in mud. Great. Come on, go quick. I'm gonna get hit by this thing.
You made again?
Okay. Okay, let's go. I want to get my probe back. How am I still getting hit? Well, let's go. We did it. We did it. Yay. We got 1,463rd place. Okay. Well, we completed it. That's good.